Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Fabio Ballari. I am Product Portfolio Specialist for Surface Refinement CATIA. And today I would like to introduce to you to a new demonstration focusing on ICEM Design Experience 22XGA on the cloud. This demo is based on E-VTOL, a new electric aircraft, as you can see here. So we start by the project dashboard, where we can share major information for the project team, and easily we can launch the ICEM Design Experience app. As you can see here, new user experience, the new VNAV, the new palette, everything has been redesigned, focusing on major needs from Surface Modeler. You can see new mouse menu, accelerator as well, to have quick access to analysis tool, modifier, and so on. User will be able to choose between ICEM Surf navigation and CATIA classical navigation. Once we have imported the SCAD, position the sketches, and so on, we are able to organize data thanks to the Organize Manager. And as we are integrating in the 3DExperience platform, we can directly retrieve mechanical and electrical engineer data by just loading them. Considering other department constraints since the beginning of the project, it is so fundamental. We also have improved the visualization thanks to the predefined display ambience shader. Visualization is more than ever part of the modeling experience. And here we can start the classical surface modeling process. By starting Create Curve, we have introduced different kind of modifiers like global point, torque handle, in addition to the standard Bezier control points. Very easily we can have access to the analysis tool. We have also introduced expert mode shortcut to scale and precisely define analysis. We also have visualization stretch view to get more precision. As you can see here, we have a quick access to all creation and transformation commands. We also have introduced variant storage inside the panel in order to improve user efficiency on a daily basis. So you can store very easily all the option panel inside every command. The new fictive edge command enable automatic recognition on theoretical curve on top of a scan. Also other modifier like a curve modifier box, enabling the user to modify existing curve while keeping the same control point weight. All this tool to guarantee the traditional control point and direct modeling modification. User is also able to customize its own user interface thanks to the customized crown menu. As you can see here, we can add as many commands we want and have quick access by just activate gesture menu. We also have introduced the OmniSurf technology. This new concept enables the user to create any kind of surface with one single command. Based on user selection, OmniSurf provides different kind of result, from a blend surface to the loft surface, to the sweep surface, and so on. Keep going with modeling, we are able to activate section and start the scan approach by having dynamic deviation measurement, as you can see here, and also deviation mapping. We are able to have curve-based modeling, but we can directly also go and sculpt on top of the surface control point and keeping associativity with the input curve. This is unique in the market. We will see another example later on. Having also access to transformation manipulators very easily. We also have persistent matching, which is a huge value for people that are coming from ICEM Surf and other explicit modeling surface software. You don't have to rematch each time your curve and surface, because soft parametric will guarantee persistent matching anytime. And this again improve user efficiency and also save to the user a lot of annoying tasks. We have also introduced picture-in-picture, enabling flexible multi-view modeling session, and you can set up as many windows you want, and this is again a new UI improvement. All these combined enable the user to new workflows. One example here, what I call the curve-based surface sculpting with soft parametric full associativity. You can see that we can start by editing curves, then we can go directly sculpting on top of the surface and back to the curves while keeping full associativity all along. This provides really new workflow experience to the surface modeler. We also have snapping capability, universal low control point diffusion, enabling the user managing the control point diffusion during the modification. This can be done before and after the modification. And all this combined enable the user to have a complex assembly associative context, where you can modify surfaces anytime and the soft parameter will keep and guarantee the associativity between surfaces. We also have improved performances thanks to the smart update, enabling the user to have fluid control point sculpting even with complex assembly. As you can see here, thanks to the associativity, you are able to modify multiple surface control points, and soft parametric will guarantee all the transition, connection and highlight. This also guarantees efficiency in the design exploration. You can directly retrieve modification result, improving the collaboration with styling department and mechanical department. And last but not least, we also have improved fillet capability thanks to the new Omni fillet and the core low evolution managed by graphical control. And as well as we are embedded into the 3DExperience platform, we can retrieve all the value of having an integrated workflow from design to manufacturing to product experience. By just clicking on the button, we are able to start a VR review session, and we keep going modifying control point in order to refine and reach the perfect design. From the outside of the cockpit, but also from the inside, we can keep going and change the volume while having a better perception of the final result. Another important aspect is the simulation. Design and simulation are today more than ever connected topic. In this example, we see collaborative session on a multi-touch screen thanks to the product perception experience, where we are able to replay a simulation. As you can see, this version of the aircraft shows a lack of performances on the back. Thanks to the integration of the 3DExperience platform, we are able to fix it and replay the simulation on the new version of the cockpit and directly see the impact of this modification, comparing side by side the old version and the new one. We can also replay scene and simulation on top of a VR session. Same for realistic rendering, we are able to produce photorealistic images of the project without any data import or export. Very quickly we can set up materials, backgrounds, and by just clicking on a button we can start retracing, producing on the fly such a kind of high quality images. And last but not least, we recently had human incarnation capability, enabling to create immersive human experience in order to do ergonomic styling, and not only thanks to the Ramses technology. To conclude, 3DExperience platform provide a complete and streamlined workflow from design to manufacturing to product experience. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Stay connected because there is more to come.